Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use berberine to lose weight. Berberine is a natural compound that works at a cellular level to support your metabolism. It activates an enzyme called AMP, often referred to as the body's metabolic master switch. This activation helps your cells respond better to insulin, moving sugar into cells for energy instead of storing it as fat. It also helps reduce sugar production in your liver and supports a healthy gut, all contributing to effective weight management. When considering berberine, proper dosage is crucial for effectiveness and comfort. Many experts suggest taking 500 milligrams 2 or 3 times each day for a total daily intake between 500 and 1,500 milligrams. It is best to take your doses with meals to improve absorption and help prevent any potential stomach discomfort. Remember to begin with a smaller dose and slowly increase it as your body adjusts to the supplement. Berberine offers more than just weight loss support. It provides several significant health advantages. It is well known for its ability to lower and stabilize blood sugar, making it beneficial for metabolic balance. Additionally, berberine can improve your lipid profile by reducing unhealthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It also fosters a healthier gut environment by promoting beneficial bacteria. These combined effects contribute to overall well-being, extending beyond just shedding pounds. Before incorporating berberine into your routine, it is essential to speak with a healthcare provider, particularly if you are taking other medications. Berberine can interact with various drugs, including those for blood sugar control and blood thinners. While generally safe, some people may experience mild digestive side effects such as nausea or bloating. Remember, berberine is a supplement and works best when combined with a healthy, balanced diet and consistent physical activity to achieve your weight management goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.